Hello, today we will guide you through how to change theme on Trading 212. Customizing your theme is a quick way to make the platform easier on your eyes, match your workspace lighting, and keep important information clear and comfortable to read. Whether you prefer a bright look for daytime or a darker palette for late sessions, you can switch in just a few taps. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app and wait for the main screen to load. From here, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click or tap it to open the side panel. If you're on a smaller screen, the menu might slide in from the side. On larger screens, it may expand over the page. Either way, this is where the app's key options are grouped. In the menu, scroll down until you see Settings. It's typically near the lower portion of the list, so keep scrolling if it's not visible right away. Select Settings to open the place where you control how the platform behaves and looks. This area won't affect your portfolio or orders. It's simply for your personal preferences, which makes it a safe spot to adjust display choices. Inside Settings, find and select the option labeled Theme. The Theme section controls the overall appearance of the interface, including backgrounds, panels, and text contrast. Opening this option will bring up the available styles. You might see lighter and darker choices, along with other presets designed to improve readability in different environments. Now select a sample theme from the list. As soon as you choose one, the app will apply it right away, so you can instantly see how it looks across your dashboard, watch lists, and charts. If the first option doesn't feel quite right, simply pick another until you land on a look that suits your eyes and your setup. Darker themes can reduce glare in dim rooms, while lighter themes can make details pop in brighter spaces. That's all it takes. Open the menu, go to Settings, tap Theme, and select the style you want. Your choice focuses purely on appearance, so none of your data or preferences outside of visuals will change. If you ever want to revisit your selection, follow the same path and try a different option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a Trading 212 interface that looks and feels just right for you.